Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial showing you how I style my natural curly hair. That's right, I actually have, or had, naturally curly hair. Through the years, I have over-processed my hair. I've put too much bleach in it and damaged the life out of it, and my curls haven't been back since. Recently, I have been working with my hairstylist, and she has refused to put bleach in my hair, which I thank her for all the time because I had way too much bleach. Like even my highlights she does with color, and we have just been trimming my hair, which has been cutting off all the dead, over-bleached hair. And now I've noticed with every visit that my curls have started to come back more and more and more, and they're still not all the way there, but this is such an improvement from what I had going on before. This is gonna be how I diffuse my hair, what products I use, how I get it to look like this. I'm gonna stop talking, let's go ahead and get straight into the tutorial. So now that I'm wearing my hair naturally curly, this is the shampoo and conditioner that I'm gonna be using. It's the OUAI conditioner shampoo, but it's specifically for curls. This is gonna help nurture the curl more. Typically, I just use the OUAI Smooth and Repair shampoo and conditioner when I know I'm not wearing my hair curly, which also works really well because it kind of binds all your curls together. Like the Smooth and Repair one is really nice. But today we're gonna be using this one right over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower and then I shall be back. First things first, when I get out of the shower, I use a wet brush. This is specifically made to brush your hair out when it's wet. I kind of just grab this and then go through. And if you have extra curly hair, sometimes you might not want to brush your hair because you'll brush the curls out, but for me, I have to. If I want to wear my hair curly, I have to put product in right after I get out of the shower, else it's like no go. Next, I'm gonna use the OUAI leave-in conditioner just to get it nice and soft. I focus it a lot where I get frizzy, which tends to be like the top where I've had the most bleach in my hair. I probably put too much, but whatevs. I'm not sponsored by OUAI, I just love their hair products. Jen forces me to use this against my will. Just kidding, not really. I'm gonna be using the OUAI Curl Jelly. Take off your rings because it's gonna get all up in everything. When in high school, when I would wear my hair curly, do you guys remember the big tub of gel? It came in like blue and green. It was like that tub everybody used. I always used that in my hair to get the curls to stay. There's a lot of alcohol in that, so it's probably not the best, but that was the shit back in the day. So I'm just gonna take a bunch of this hair jelly into my hand. This is what I do, guys. Get into position, very serious. I flip my head over and I just start to scrunch the product through my hair. You start to kind of just go like this, right? To get the curl going. And when you think you've put enough product in, you're wrong. You're gonna go in again. Make sure you get every part of the hair. Gosh, you guys, my hair used to be so curly. Now I have to like really get it there. But luckily, the curls are coming back. I wouldn't have been able to do this like 6 months ago. My hair would have just gone like straight little, like the crumbs of the top ramen at the bottom of the bag. It would have been terrible, but I've been slowly doing less processing to my hair. If you guys have noticed, I haven't been putting any more bleach. I know everyone's always like, go back blonde. Not that I won't, I love blonde and I love all the highlights and stuff, but I just feel like it was so hard on my hair for so long that I need time to heal. I want my curls back. I'm actually gonna go in one more time. Just 2 pumps this time. Now, after I have all this product in, I have a towel here. I'm gonna lightly push with my towel and I'm just helping the curls along, helping them get their shape. Flip your head the other way and then boom, boom. Now it looks like this. So in high school, when I used to do this, I would let it air dry, and by the end of first period, my hair would be dry and great. I prefer air drying for me because I feel like it's less frizzy. When you don't have time, I would use a diffuser. It just connects to your blow dryer. It usually comes with your blow dryer. I'm gonna put it on low heat, and you're just gonna lightly do this. I'm just gonna keep doing that until it's fully dry, and I'll be right back. I'm about halfway dry now. You can see the curls. Ooh, girl. Make sure you guys do it on low heat. It's better. That's what Jen told me. She yelled at me for having it on high heat, okay? La piñata. Gonna go in with my hands again. Lightly pounce up. This brings back so many memories of high school. I used to wear my hair like this every day. Dude, you guys, this curl jelly is so good. This is the phase where my hair is mostly dry. We still got some little crunchy pieces, and then if you're like me and you're trying to nurture your curls back, so your curls are just like, some of them come out a little limp. What I like to do is then go in with a tiny curling iron. I'll have to look up how big this one is exactly, but it's pretty small. And I get this and I'm just gonna go through, and if I have any pieces that are just like looking a little sad, then I will go through and curl those out. This part's looking a little, you know, like it could be better. It tried, but it could be better. I'm just gonna wrap it too. I just wrap it around the barrel. I don't put it in the clamp, and then I just let it go. And with curls, you go all the way to the very end, and then also switch directions that you're curling, because naturally curly hair doesn't all curl in the same direction. These pieces up front that are a little crunchy right now, that's good for me. I put more product there only because these are the frizziest parts of my hair. So I put more of the curl jelly there, knowing that they get frizzier. With time, this crunch kind of like goes away and it keeps these not frizzy, which I love because I need that. You just kind of go through and randomly, don't take too many sections because you still want this to look overall like it's all your natural curl. These pieces that are up at the top, those are the ones that have had the most bleach work. So those are the ones that I usually have to curl more. The bottom of my hair typically gets curly on its own, but the rest of it, if I don't put product in my hair or do what I just did, it won't dry like this. Like, it'll dry, you've seen on my Instagram, you've seen on my Snapchat, it'll dry like crazy. I just got back from Ibiza and it was incredible. I got lash extensions for the trip. I'm kind of holding on to a few still right now. You see that? There's like a couple. I'm gonna do them again because I have another trip. Everyone always asks me how I feel about lash extensions, and I love lash extensions, but like I'm more of a lash extension for vacation type of person because it's hard for me to have lash extensions and do makeup tutorials because I'm constantly applying makeup, taking it off, putting makeup on, taking it off. It's almost like they don't last long enough, but for vacation, I feel like they are everything. This one got a little too curly, so I'm just gonna hold it like down here so that as it's getting cooler, the curl gets a little looser because you don't want the curl to be too far off from your curl pattern. My mom, my aunt, everybody in my family has extremely curly hair, but my dad's hair is a little bit more wavy, so I think that's why mine didn't get as curly. Now I'm gonna take this comb right here, it's just like a wide tooth comb. I'm just gonna lift up some of this hair at the root, kind of tease it back so that I get more volume, you know, just to get a little bit more oomph. Don't know which way my hair wants to part. That's the thing about having curly hair, it tells you what it wants to do. That's pretty good. Now I'm gonna go in with the hair oil. Just the tiniest amount, just one squirt. Just go through and wrap the frizzy parts around the finger. Just get a little bit of oil there. You don't wanna put it through everything though, because I don't want it to weigh down. I cannot wait until my hair is long so that it could be curly and long. I think I'm just gonna wear it curly all the time. I like it short too, but I feel like when it's long, I just really vibe with it. As the day goes on, I feel like my hair looks better when it's more lived in, so towards midday, I feel like my curls look better. And it kind of gets a little fluffier, and when I have curly hair, I like it to be fluffier. I really don't know which way my hair wants to part. Right now, it's kind of playing me. I will say that much, it's like, it really controls me. It like tells me what it wants to do. It doesn't let me pick. It's like, no. I'm not gonna let you part me like that. You can't force a curl, okay? It wants to do what it wants to do. Look at these baby hairs. Fill in my hairline right here. Well, I've always had this little tiny hole since I was little, but it looks more dramatic because I actually have a cowlick. Right here does a swirl of hair that stays short. Doesn't let me do a center part, so I tweezed it off, okay? I said, you're not gonna run my life anymore. I'm gonna tell you what's up, okay? And I tweezed it. And everybody that does my hair is like, you did what? And I'm like, I took control of my life is what I did, okay? I said, not today, not tomorrow. If I want a middle part, I should have a middle part. So I got rid of it. This is it, you guys. This is how I get my curly hair. Natural curls with a little help from the curling iron, pero nomás un poquito, okay? Because You don't want it to look too crazy. I'm so proud of my hair for making it back to its curls because I really thought that I had lost them forever. If you're younger and you have curly hair or thick eyebrows, do not tweeze them and do not overprocess your curls, okay? That's my advice of the day. Curls are beautiful and you're gonna regret it later, and eyebrows, I barely have any. So don't overpluck and don't overprocess. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload, because I know videos are getting hidden and you know you're missing videos and we're not about that life. So hit the notification bell and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My nose is about to start dripping. Oh my God, because I'm sick. Okay. Flipping. Oh shit. This is an interesting angle for me.